Meaning of hand-to-mouth.
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 Hand-to-mouth. The phrase hand-to-mouth is typically used to describe a situation where someone is living in poverty and struggling to make ends meet. It implies that their income or resources are only sufficient to cover their basic needs, i.e. food, shelter, and other essentials. This can lead to a constant struggle to keep up with bills, to pay for healthcare, and to save for the future. People living hand-to-mouth may be forced to make difficult choices about how to allocate their limited resources, often sacrificing things like education or leisure activities in order to survive.